Hello, 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 dear friends. Welcome to Podcast Your English, episode number 52. My name is Eva, and today we are going to talk about something very, very important. Clothes. What do you wear every day? What clothes do you like? What do you put on when it's cold, hot, rainy? We will learn lots of useful words and easy phrases. And of course, I'm not alone today.
Hi everyone, Daniel here. Eva, I'm already excited. Clothes are my favorite topic. Well, after pizza and sleeping, of course.
Pizza and sleeping are not clothes, Daniel. Okay, let's start very simply. Every morning we wake up, and what do we do first?
First, we open our eyes. Then we go to the bathroom. Then we put on underwear. Very important word, underwear. Without it, strange day begins.
Yes. Underwear. Trusi i wsio astomnoja pod одеждой. After underwear, I usually put on pajamas. No, wait. Pajamas are for night. In the morning, I take off pajamas and put on day clothes.
Exactly. So Eva, tell us, what do you wear on a normal day?
On a normal day, I like to wear a comfortable t-shirt and jeans. Sometimes I choose a blouse instead of t-shirt. And shoes, usually sneakers. I love sneakers. They are so comfortable.
Same here. T-shirt plus jeans plus sneakers equals perfect Daniel style. But sometimes I wear shorts when it's very hot. Summer in the city, hello shorts and flip-flops.
Flip-flops, great summer word. Okay, listeners, let's repeat together 5 times slowly. T-shirt, jeans, sneakers, shorts, flip-flops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Good job. Now let's talk about colors, because clothes without colors are boring.
True. I have a red t-shirt, a blue blouse, black jeans, white sneakers, and one very bright yellow hoodie when I want to be happy.
Yellow hoodie. Eva, you are like a small sun. I prefer darker colors. Gray t-shirt, dark blue jeans, black sneakers. Classic. Safe. No one will laugh at me. Usually.
Listeners, repeat after me these colors: red, blue, black, white, gray, yellow, green, and one more, pink, because pink is always nice.
I have one pink t-shirt, but I wear it only at home. Secret.
Your secret is safe with us, and with 5,000 listeners. Haha. Now let's talk about weather. Weather changes clothes a lot.
Yes. When it's cold, what do we wear?
When it's cold, I wear a warm sweater, scarf, hat, gloves, and a big coat or jacket. Without them, I become Eva Ice Cube.
Sweater, scarf, hat, gloves, coat. 5 winter words. I also wear warm socks because cold feet are the worst feeling in the world.
Oh, yes, warm socks are super important. And what about rain?
Rainy day equals raincoat plus umbrella plus boots. Last week I forgot my umbrella and I looked like a very sad wet cat. Don't repeat my mistake.
Poor Daniel Cat. Okay, sunny, hot day. What do we wear?
Tank top, shorts, sunglasses, cop or hot, and sandals. And of course, lots of sunscreen, but sunscreen is not clothes, sorry.
Sundress is also very popular for girls in summer. Light, beautiful, cool.
Sundress, nice word. Now let's practice a small dialogue. Imagine we meet in the park.
Hi, Daniel. Wow, nice outfit today. What are you wearing?
Thanks, Eva. I'm wearing a white tank top, black shorts, and blue flip-flops. Very summer style. And you?
I have a light yellow sundress and white sandals. And don't forget my big sunglasses.
You look amazing, like a summer queen.
Thank you. You also look cool. Listeners, repeat this phrase 3 times. You look amazing. Very useful when you want to make someone happy.
Now let's talk about work and school clothes.
At work, many people wear more formal clothes. Men often wear shirt, tie, and trousers or suit. Women wear blouse, skirt, or dress or trousers.
But in many modern offices, it's more casual now. Jeans plus nice shirt is okay. Sometimes even hoodie if it's very relaxed place.
Yes, my friend works in IT company. She wears jeans, t-shirt, and sneakers every day, and she's happy.
Dream job. And what about school uniform? Some schools have it.
Yes, children wear the same clothes, usually white shirt, dark trousers or skirt, and sometimes tie or vest.
In my school, we had uniform. I hated the tie. It felt like a snake on my neck.
Poor little Daniel. Okay, next topic, party clothes.
Party time. I like to wear something nicer. Nice shirt, not old one, good trousers, sometimes jacket, and clean shoes.
For girls, beautiful dress, high heels, maybe jewelry, earrings, necklace, bracelet.
High heels? I tried once at home. Fell down after 3 steps. Never again.
I believe you. Phrase for party. Wow, you look fantastic. Or nice outfit.
Very important compliments. Now let's go shopping. Shopping for clothes is fun and sometimes stressful.
Yes. Imagine you are in a shop.
Okay, I start. Excuse me, do you have these jeans in size 32?
Yes, here you are. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Over there, on the left. After trying, these are too small. Do you have a bigger size?
Yes, here's size 34. Try this one.
Perfect. These fit very well. How much are they?
They are 49 euros.
Great. I'll take them. See? Whole shopping conversation.
Very useful. More shop phrases. Can I try this on? Do you have this in another color? Is there a sale? I'll take it. I'll think about it.
Excellent. Now, home clothes. After long day, what do we want?
Sweatpants plus hoodie plus warm socks. Or pajamas if it's already evening.
Pajamas, best codes in the world. Soft, warm, no rules.
Truth. And very important, slippers at home. No shoes in the house, please.
Yes, especially in many countries. Okay, sports clothes time.
For gym, I wear a sports t-shirt, shorts, or leggings. Sneakers, special sport ones.
Girls often wear sports bra plus leggings plus top.
And don't forget water bottle, but again, not clothes. Haha.
For running, running shoes, very important, good shoes.
For swimming, swimsuit girls or swim trunks boys.
Swimsuit versus suit, very different things. Business suit, office. Swimsuit, swimming pool.
Never go to the office in swimsuit, unless you work at the pool. Haha.
Now, accessories. Not clothes, but very important.
Belt, watch, glasses, not sunglasses, normal ones. Scarf, not only winter. Hat, cap, beanie.
Beanie, very popular now. Small warm hat.
And backpack or bag, also very important for style.
Yes. Let's make a quick quiz.
Ready, listeners? Answer in your head.
Question 1. What do you wear on your feet when it rains?
Answer, boots or rain boots.
Question 2. What do you wear on your head when it's very cold?
Answer, hat or beanie.
Question 3. What do you wear to the beach?
Swimsuit, shorts, sunglasses.
Question 4. What do you wear to sleep?
Pajamas.
Question 5. What do you wear when you do yoga or gym?
Leggings, sports top.
Great. If you got 4 to 5 correct, you are a clothes master already.
Now let's talk about materials. What are clothes made of?
Cotton, very popular. Soft, good for t-shirts, shirts.
Wool, warm for sweaters, coats.
Denim, for jeans.
Silk, very elegant for blouses, dresses.
Polyester, cheap, dries fast, many sport clothes.
Good to know when shopping. And patterns.
striped, baluski, checkered or plaid, kletka, polka dot, garoshek, plain, adnatone, floral, цветочки.
I love floral dresses in summer.
I have one striped t-shirt. It's my lucky one.
Lucky t-shirt. Nice. Okay, last big topic. Seasons.
Spring, light jacket, jeans, sneakers, maybe scarf in the beginning.
Summer, t-shirts, shorts, sundresses, sandals, sunglasses.
Autumn, sweater, jacket, boots, scarf.
Winter, coat, hat, gloves, warm boots.
Perfect year's circle.
Now, a very short summary. We learned today many clothes: t-shirt, jeans, sneakers, shorts, flip-flops, sweater, scarf, coat, jacket, raincoat, boots, tank top, sundress, blouse, dress, shirt, tie, suit, leggings, swimsuit, pajamas, sweatpants, hoodie.
And a phrase is, what are you wearing today? You look great. Can I try this on? These are too small or big. I'll take it.
Practice every day. Look at your clothes right now and say in English, I'm wearing a, and.
Practice every day. Tell your family, friends, even your cat or dog, practice English.
Thank you so much for being with us in episode 52.
We love you all. Keep smiling, keep learning, keep wearing comfortable clothes. See you in the next episode of Podcast Your English.
Bye-bye.
And don't forget, clean socks are always a good idea.
Bye.